So that is the monastery.
I'm still exploring Georgia. This time I visit Nekresi Monastery. It's Orthodox monastery in the eastern Georgian region of Kakheti. It's founded in the 6th century, associated with monk Abibos, was one of the 13 Assyrian apostles of Georgia. The ancient wine cellar with amazing view make this complex more interesting.
Morning from Sighnaghi. Today I will go to Telavi. Telavi is the main city in Kakheti. Now I'm going to the bus station because the bus will depart only once per day at 9 p.m. It's about 300 meters to go to the bus station. Maybe in this. The bus to go to Telavi will depart at 9:30 and it costs 10 lari. Arrive in Telavi. It takes almost 2 hours to reach Telavi. So now I'm going to the Nekresi Monastery. So after arrive in Telavi bus station, I took minibus to go to Nekresi. But the problem is the bus stopped me at the main road of Nekresi, and to get to the monastery is still 4 kilometers away. So I need to walk there. So I got a hitchhike from the main road to the monastery. So the coolest hitchhike that I got, we went to another way. I still need to walk to the monastery for about 2 kilometers. So that is the monastery. It's on top of the hill. That's why in maps it shows the travel time 53 minutes only for 2 kilometers. It's showing the sun. Valkyries is there. From the church there is still 1.5 kilometers to go to the Nekresi Monastery complex. And the way to get there is up like this. According to maps it will take about 45 minutes walk. Need to even hike more steep. That is the monastery over there. So the monastery is on top of the hill. Oh gosh. This is the monastery complex. And the view is really amazing. So 1, 2, maybe the other also. It's maybe one cellar. So actually there is a bus from the church downstairs to here. But when I was coming here, there are none. So they just arrived. So the bus going down, they still waiting for another passengers from the church. Because I'm already finished, so I just going with the foot. Because going down is very easy. Also the bus, it costs 3 lari for go and back. But I just want to go back with the bus. And it costs also the same lari. So I decide to walk. Because walking down is easy. So the minibus from the monastery has just arrived. I'm also arrived here too. I hope I can get a hitchhike from here to the main road or even to the Telavi bus station. So I got the lift from the foot of the monastery. I supposed to go to the main road, but they bring me until the Telavi bus station. So they are a Russian couple and they're very nice. I'm so lucky. So the Russian couple took me to the bus station from the monastery, which is very nice. But then after I arrived at the bus station, I went to the city hall because I haven't seen the Telavi city hall yet. So at least I need to see the Telavi city hall. And then from the city hall back to the bus station, I was running because from there it was 3:07. And the bus will leave at 3:15, but I managed to reach here at 3:15. Now it's 3:18, but the bus still hasn't left yet. The guy with purple is the minibus driver, and I'm sitting next to him. So now the bus just arrived in Sighnaghi at 4:45. It's almost 2 hours from Telavi to Sighnaghi.
And again, I go to House of Sighnaghi restaurant to have my favorite Georgian food.